Join me on a 7-hour tour around London. Our day begins with a ride on the London Tube, the heartbeat of the city. It is efficient, fast and best way to get around. First stop, Kensington Garden, the home to Kensington Palace. Just a short walk away is Hyde Park featuring the stunning Serpentine Lake. Within the park, there is Speaker's Corner, a spot for people to speak their mind and engage with listeners. From there we cross the River Thames to visit the London Bridge, the one next to the iconic Tower Bridge. Along River Thames you have a magnificent view of the bridge in action. Time for a quick lunch break at Borough Market. Sample gourmet creations from around the world. This is a must-stop for all foodies. Our journey continues with a visit to the monument to the Great Fire of London. Now, we visit the iconic St. Paul's Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece that has graced London's skyline for centuries. As the sun sets, marvel at the iconic Big Ben and the grandeur of Westminster, standing in the presence of great history. It's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of London. From historic landmarks to vibrant parks and markets, this city has something for everyone. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for my adventures in the UK.